Hello everyone. Here I am representing my first video in Java programming. In our new semester, we have been added a new subject that is Java programming. So basically, we have to start from basic because if we clear our basic thing, that will be beneficial for us in future and present also. So let's begin with Java various language fundamental. There are a lot of fundamental languages, literals in Java. First one is identifier, second one is reserved words, third one data type, fourth one literals, fifth array, sixth types of variables, seventh various array method, eighth command line argument, and Java coding standard. The last one. So first we start from identifier. What is our identifier? Identifier is the name in Java programming considered as identifier, which can be used for identification purpose. Means whatever the question is being given to us, we have to identify it. It may be method name, class name, or variable name. This example is been in front of you is representing the example of variable. So here the whole example represent we have to find out the identifier in this program. See, this is the program class test public static void main, simple basic program of Java. Here we have to identify how identifier. Okay, so we have to find out the identifier. So how much of identifier is been there in this program? See, first one is test. Okay, and second one is main, third one is string, fourth one is args, and fifth one is x. These are the identifier in the program. So these question income interviews type. So this is for our basic concept to clear our mindset. Okay, now we comes in rule for defining Java identifier. The only allowed symbol on variable in Java identifier are a2 small a to z, a2 in different languages, or 0 to a, and these two symbols. If we start from a to 0, that will be compile time error in the program. So we can't allow Java identifier does not allow a to 0. It always start from 0 to a. Okay, so this was an example. Total number, it is valid. See, total number, it is valid. Total slash, and Java identifier does not allow this hash in programming, so it is not valid. Reason because hash is be not allowed in Java identifier, so it will give compile time error. When we use identifier, it should not be with digit, means it should not be start from digit. It is being clarified in the example. 1 2 3 total not valid, total 1 2 3 it is valid. So these are the basic concept which can be beneficial for us. So just read out in a one way to clear our mindset. And the second rule is in Java identifier is Java language is treated as a case sensitive programming language. Means we are writing the program int. If it is in capital letter, that will give false. Means compile time error. It will not be run in a program. Third, in Java languages there is no length limit. Means you can edit how much amount of data you want to add. In other languages, it is just like 256, 0 to 256. But in Java there is no length, no limit. But it is should not be too lengthy for identification. So that should be kept in our mind. Fourth, we can use predefined name in Java identifier. All Java such like class name, interface name, we can use for identification. This simple example for last rule which I have mentioned in the list, we can use predefined name. Means it should be predefined by the computer, not by us. Class test public static void main string us simple programming string int string 888 means this is varied in our Java programming. Thank you.